Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Orpita. Today I will tell you something about the black fungus. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So friends, let's start the video. What is black fungus? It is a fungal infection. Mucormycosis is a very rare infection. This infection occurs when you come in contact with a fungus called mucosa. The fungus is commonly found in soil, plants, fertilizer, and rotting fruits and vegetables. Doctors say the fungus exists naturally in soil and air. It can even be present at normal time in the nose and mucus of healthy people. This fungus infects the sinuses, brain and lungs. Because people with COVID-19 have weak lungs, black fungus can pose a serious risk to them. What kind of symptoms occur? Symptoms commonly seen in patients with black fungus include nasal congestion and bleeding from the nose, eye pain and swelling of the eyes, blood vision, loss of vision around the skin of the nose. Ways to protect against black fungus. The US Central for Disease Control says it is very difficult to avoid areas where the fungus is present. Doctors say that the fungi that cause mucormycosis are very common in the environment. However, those who have a weakened immune system can take steps to reduce the risk of infection with Mycobacterium tuberculosis. These are highlighted. The US Center for Disease Control or CDC says avoid area where there is a lot of dust. If it is not possible to avoid those places, then use N95 masks. Avoid direct contact with water bodies damaged by natural disaster. The CDC says there could be fungal infection from these places. Keep an eye on the skin of the body so that there is no infection. If it is cut somewhere or if the skin is raised, it should be kept in care so that it does not come in contact with dust and dirt. In the case of COVID-19 patient, according to the doctor advice to control diabetes, be careful when using steroid. The use of steroid by a professor of respiratory medicine at Borden Hospital can make diabetes uncontrollable. As a result, there is a higher risk of infection with black fungus. Maintain cleanliness will giving oxygen to the patient. Maintain cleanliness when using masks. Okay guys, I hope the video will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.